Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essential hardware and accounts. Install the smart bulb or replace the switch now, screw in, restore power, and open the vendor app. Create or sign into the manufacturer account, then connect the device to your 4 GHz Wi-Fi following on-screen prompts. Once paired, name the light clearly in the app so voice recognition is reliable. Make sure to enable location and permissions if requested. This speeds discovery and avoids pairing errors later. Now link the device to your voice assistant. Open the Assistant app and add a new device or enable the manufacturer skill. You will authorize account linking, follow the prompts, and grant required permissions. Once authorized, discover devices from the Assistant app. When the light appears, assign it to a room and set a simple name you will speak. Test by saying a basic command aloud. If discovery fails, restart the router and the smart device, then try discovery again. Finish by creating routines or groups so a single phrase controls multiple lights. Test variations of your chosen phrase to learn what the assistant recognizes and modify the name if necessary. If commands fail, check firmware updates in the device app, verify strong 4 GHz Wi-Fi signal, and confirm the assistant has microphone and account permissions. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the smart device and repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.